It is Mumvember at Lan Su Chinese Garden, and we're usually at the garden, but today we're at the growing facility with Mandi, who is the head grower here. This is an amazing place. How many different plants do you have here?
So we have about 155 different cultivars of mums,
Wow.
all 13 different classes. In total, we grow about 1,000 plants each year in
Wow.
2-gallon pots.
And I know that you will be bringing in fresh plants. There's plants right now at the garden, and then you'll be bringing in fresh plants for the whole month. So really, you just have a really big place here to do that. And so can you kind of tell us how these start? Because these are huge plants. They're about 4 foot tall, 3.5 foot tall. So how do you start them?
So we actually start them at the end of March. We start each of these from cuttings, about 4-inch cuttings. And then over time, we pot them gradually into larger pots. We go through staking. It's about a 9-month process that we go through between staking, disbudding, fertilizing, and everything. It takes a lot of work to put this together.
And you do it not just yourself, you have a lot of volunteers that come out and help too.
I have 10 dedicated volunteers that I'm
wonderful.
so thankful for that show up every week.
And what is this one called? This is beautiful, it's so lacy.
So this here, it's called Chesapeake, and this is one that you can find with the Chrysanthemum Society. You can also find it with King's Mums. We grow ours from cuttings. Not all of these are grown from cuttings, but a lot of these that you do see in our greenhouse, we've done from cuttings each year.
And then how do you get the big flowers? Because I see a lot of flowers, so do you have to do something special?
That's a great question. And this is a great example because I haven't yet disbudded this plant quite yet, just haven't gotten to it. But what we do is we actually will go through, I know it's sad to see this, but we go through and we will take off some of these buds. And what happens is that it makes all of the energy go up the stem and go to this one big flower. Puts all the energy to that flower.
So to learn more about this, you have to go to the garden, but to learn all about what's going on at Lan Su, we're going to toss it to William and he's going to talk with Justin. Thanks so much, Mandi. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Judy, and what a great job Mandi is doing here. And now I am here with Justin. And Justin, you know, November is Mumvember at Lan Su, but this coming weekend is exceptionally fun. Tell me what's going on.
So this weekend we have the 9th Moon Floral Designers Showcase. And so the garden has teamed up with Leanne Kessler and the Floral Design Institute to put on this amazing showcase of designs where we're including 25 designers from around the country and one from China. What people can do is come by the garden this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and take a look at these wonderful floral designs and actually vote on your favorite.
Wow.
And by the end of the day on Sunday at 3 o'clock, we'll announce the People Choice Award winner for that weekend.
And you know, I have to say, we have been there so many times. We at Garden Time go to this event because it is breathtaking, and every year something new comes up and I go, wow, I can't believe that. But it's not just this weekend. All month long things are going on.
So all month long, we have things happening at Lan Su. We have our Mumvember Talk series, and so every Saturday, one of the horticulturalists will be giving a talk on mums. Will be November 10th, and on November 17th, the trees and the flowers of fragrance in the garden. And then I'll be giving a talk on Thanksgiving Saturday, the 24th, about the 3 friends of winter, which is plum, pine, and bamboo.
So Justin, there is also a world premiere happening of a book called Asian Allure. Tell me about that.
Yes, so this weekend you can be there for the launch of Asian Allure, which features 3 of our featured designers at 9th Moon, Greg Lum, Lily Chan, and Jeannie Ha.
So you know, for more information on this absolutely beautiful event, you can go to gardentime.tv and we will click you over to their website.